This video shows you how to create horizontal scrolling ticker tape text. Now you can add that to any screen you like. I'm in the screen editor at the moment on the start screen. So to do it, you choose Add Items and you add a label sequence item, and here it is. Now the first thing to do is to put some content into it, so double click and you get a panel popping up where you can type text in. Now I'm not going to type the text, I'm just going to paste it in from here. So we've actually got 5 lines of text in here. You can have as much text as you like, and these lines can be as long as you like. But each line really needs to fit on the screen, so I'll show you that in a minute. So click OK. So we've now got the text in this text item. Next thing is to make it as wide as the screen. You don't have to be really accurate here, but somewhere close will do, and reduce it down in height. Now notice that the actual thing is animating as I'm editing it, which is quite interesting. If you can't quite get to the edges, if you zoom out, let's do that, you can then just pull this out so it's just the width of the screen. As I say, you don't have to be totally accurate about this. Right, let's have a look at the properties. So click the properties panel. Now the thing about a sequence item is that it's animating all the time. Now at the moment it's just fading in and fading out, and it's fading in over a speed of 1 second, and then it's pausing for 4 seconds before it shows the next item in the list. Now what I want to do is I want it to come in from the right hand edge and scroll across. Now the way to do that is to choose the animation, push left. So let's find that. Here we go. Now what's happening is it's coming in at a speed of 1 second. It's actually growing from 0.5 to 1. So I don't want it to grow in size while it's animating. So the first thing to do is to set both the in and the out size animations to 1. I want to slow the speed down. I'm going to make it 8 seconds. So it's going to take 8 seconds for it to come onto the screen. And I'm going to make it pause for 2 seconds each time. So now it's taking 8 seconds for each one of the lines to come in. I don't want it to fade in and out either, so let's turn those off. And possibly put a background on, so let's turn the background on. And I'm going to change the text colour to yellow. And that's really about it. You can play around to your heart's content with this. I'm going to have no pause on there. Okay, let's run it. Now the first one that comes in is bringing the background on with it. And that just keeps rolling. Let's go back into the editor. Double click. So again, I can change this text, I can change the size of the text and so on. And that's really all there is to it.